Hello.
You're watching Famous Game on YouTube.
And welcome back to the show. My name is David Lincoln, broadcasting live from Cape Cod, Massachusetts, home of the Pilgrims. And we had GameStop earnings yesterday, and they beat the expectation. The expectation was 83 cents loss. They actually only lost 43 cents. Initially, I was confused and thought they had actually missed because first they issued earnings of negative $1, and then they said no, but adjusted earnings is 43 cents. So I mistakenly tweeted out that they had missed initially, and then quickly deleted my tweet. So we had a little sell-off after the close. GameStop got down to around 260 before kind of clawing its way back up, and we'll see. It appears to pretty close to where it closed right now, trading 288. We closed 300, looking to open down a little bit. It has rallied back a little bit in the last 10 minutes. As I had mentioned in my comments yesterday in the video, that there was A, it would be a wise idea, and B, there was a good chance that the company would offer more shares. Indeed, they announced that they will be selling up to 5 million more shares in the company at some point. And that makes a lot of sense, I think, from a business standpoint. I mean, the stock's way up here. Why not raise some more money? People seem to buy this no matter what you do. So when you're in that environment, you kind of use it to your advantage. And it certainly helps a company to raise more money. Certainly, that there's nothing wrong with that. Also, Webush, the analysts, it's kind of funny watching the analysts on stocks like this because, most of the estimates are way lower than where it's trading now. But this Webush raised their estimate from, I think, $35 to $50 now. The other thing that came out in the news is that GameStop is cooperating with an investigation about the stock. There's always investigations about stocks, and I wouldn't place too much importance to that particular item. Definitely earnings were better than expected. There's so much hype, though, around this issue. If you've been following me at all, you know that I'm short this one. It hasn't been a good ride for me. I have not been successful with it. As I always say, don't follow me over the cliff. And not only have I lost money, but when you're pursuing a non-successful trading strategy, I've lost viewership on my channel, all this kind of stuff. But anyway, that's kind of where we are, and fortunately, it appears that this stock is going to open down today, but because of the fact that volatility is going to come crashing in, as always happens the day after earnings, even a substantial down move, probably my position will break even if we open around 270. So, it's like I really need this to move way lower to actually have my position be successful. But we still have, over a month and 36 days actually to be completely accurate. If we look here, we can see position's going to expire in July on the 16th, which is 36 days from today. I am long the 190-200 put spread. So this is a $10 vertical. That means the most it can be worth is $10. Right now it's trading between $3 and $4. So that means if it were to close, if it were to all work out and the stock were to close below at 190 or below in 36 days, then this spread would be worth $10 instead of $3. and my account would, or the trade would triple the money it is right now, essentially. So that's kind of where we are. MVIS just announced that they are going to be entering the Russell 2000 at the end of the month, and the stock briefly popped. If we look MVIS here, we can see announcement came out at 8:30, and you can see whoop, little pop up, but not too much of a pop up as people rush in to buy it, thinking that all these people will need to buy it as it enters the Russell 2000. And that's kind of where we are with that. Meanwhile, AMC is down a little bit, indicated, closed 49.34, now trading 48.10. And we'll see where we go from here in GME as we enter the trading day. Like I said, it's not been a great ride. I have to count my blessings. At least we're not opening way higher than yesterday, but this could easily just go up on the day. I wouldn't be surprised if it did that before the open. So we'll see what happens moving forward here. I don't have a huge position, and I can roll it or do something else with it. But I've been short it for so long that I feel like almost like whatever position I have left, as soon as I took it off, it would probably go straight down. So I'm just going to leave whatever position I have left on for now and see how things go. My feeling still and my expectation is that the hype over GameStop will succeed, and this will come back to earth with its valuation a little bit. Back towards earth would be like, $150 or $100. So we'll see if that happens. Up until now, I've been wrong, so don't quote me. And but you got to trade what you're going to trade. You can't trade based on who you want to watch your channel or something like that. And this is, I always wanted to just show the reality of trading to people, and thus when things go against me, I'm still here showing it to you. I'm not only going to come on and show you winning trades. So I continue to lose on this one. Certainly, I have the decision anytime that I can get out of this and stop the bleeding, but so far I've not chosen to do that. That's kind of where we stand. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you have an excellent trading day, and we will check you out in the next edition of the Shortfall Show. Thanks for watching, folks. See you soon.
You're watching famous.